Baby, come up here. Come up here. Oh, say hello to the people. Say hello, people. He loves it, I swear. Don't you love it, Snooki? Don't you love it so much? Alright, so recently when I was in Target, I went in there just to get like one little thing, and of course, like Target does, they swoop you into other things. So I started going down the grooming aisle. I'm like, oh, let me just see if they have anything new. Well, new to me. So I discovered Harry's products, and I don't know if you know them, but the tagline that got me was made by scientists with feelings. That got me, girl. So I decided to pick up the whole line. That's right, I got all these products in the back of me, and we're gonna go through each one of them one by one and just highlight what we like. We'll start with the star of the show, the razor. It came in a 5-blade and also a 3-blade razor. I chose the 5-blade, I'm used to a 5-blade. 2 5-blade cartridges. It comes with a precision trimmer, which is like that flat piece at the top. And then it also comes with a flex hinge and a lubricating strip. When you open it up, it's really pretty. Oops, there it goes. Razor comes like this. Regular razor is really durable and super soft to hold. I kind of grip my razors pretty sturdy when I use them. The little safety guard comes off for the packaging, of course. There we go. 5-blade razor, regular, you know. It comes with a replacement, also a carrying case, and a cute little note. It says, "Hi there. Thanks for not throwing this out, and of course, for choosing Harry's. We're here to do all we can to make sure your shaving experience is as smooth as possible. We hope you enjoy Harry's and appreciate your support. Jeff and Andy." That's cute. It also comes with a little picture of them, and then also a email if you want to talk to anybody, and also a phone number. That's nice. Nice little touch. So that's the razor. When using the razor, it was super soft because I felt like it was getting the hair done super quickly. I use this for my head and my face, and just like always, I shave in the same direction for me because my hair is used to that. I could probably go to going against the grain, but number one, this is a new razor. Number two, I'm not trying to take any chances, and I had somewhere to be yesterday, so when I was shaving with this, I was like, oh, let me be careful. But it got the job done. I felt pretty good using it. All right, so let's move on. The shaving cream. Shaving cream came in 2 different types. This is the shave gel, and then also we have the shaving cream. Figure I'll start with this and use this on the road. So as I'm going down the road, I will try this as well. You know, stick to one product for now. But it went on super soft. It's one of those that starts as a gel and then moves to being like a foam. And this was my biggest surprise because of course aloe is my favorite inside of shaving cream, but also I love the fact that it went on super soft, and a little bit went a long way. I was all overzealous pumping out a whole mountain of gel, and then by the time I started using it, I had a whole handful of unused shaving cream for my head and my face. So I was definitely upset with that I was so wasteful, but I know for next time. I got the face wash. Face wash was also pretty good. It has a gentle exfoliant in it, and I used it with my spin brush like always. And of course, coming back from New York, I brought a Gremlin with me. No comments, just Uber Eats and pizza, just all you need to know. I used the face wash, and it was pretty good. A little bit goes a long way, just like the shaving cream, but that's okay. I learned for next time. It worked well with my spin brush. I felt like I was super clean and that my skin was hydrated, and I got the job done. I also picked up the Post Shave Balm. Again, I don't use aftershaves, but I figured I'd give it a try on the road as I'm traveling and things like that. It would be a nice little something to keep in my bag where I'm not able to always bring all the soaps and things like that I would normally carry with me. So this is a nice little something. I'll give it a shot. Why not? Finally, I bought the Harry's shampoo and conditioner 2-in-1. I know you're like, Robert, why did you buy shampoo with no hair? First off, I have a husband that I care very deeply for, and he has a little bit of hair, so I go ahead and, you know, pick up this stuff for him. And it smells really nice too, so we'll see how he likes it, so I'll get that review for you from him.
I also snuck in a face mask because I hadn't shaved for 4 days, and I wanted to make sure the skin was looking fresh.
I'll say that the shave gel and the razor together, they work fine. They were pretty good. Nothing out of the ordinary. I was reluctant a little bit to try something new because I've been on the Gillette and the Schick and stuff like that for years, but it's nice to try something different. Come back up. Thank you so much for subscribing to our channel. We now have 400 subscribers. That's super cool. Please stay. Keep subscribing. Tell your friends. We're gonna do shopping, and we're gonna talk about some fashion, and you're gonna see more of Chippy, and maybe you'll meet Philip. Hopefully he'll wanna come on. And just have a good time while we're here. Right, Chippy? Right, Snooky? Oh my gosh, my little baby. Well, until next time, thank you so much for your time. I'm really enjoying doing these videos because it's a nice little escape for me. I wouldn't normally put myself out here, but I felt like it was time to do something different with my life. And for me, talking about stuff that I know a good bit about helps me go into things that I want to talk about later, such as fashion, where I'm not as versed in knowing all the cuts and the real names for things. But I'll get there eventually. We'll get there together, right? So, tell your friends, stay forever, and love you, bye.